All right, I'm getting ready to plant this coffee tree in honor of my cousin Lovie. She was always a supporter of HYBASIA from the very beginning, y'all. She even donated money when she was in the hospital, y'all, because she wanted to. Just so dedicated. Says, for HYBASIA, is how she used to say it. So, Lovie, this is for you. So you'll always be here with us in spirit.
Thank you so much for the donation. We are with you in spirit. Inshallah, this will go, the ancestors will remember all of us.
Yes.
This is what we can do for the next generation and the coming generation. Always remember
And this
you
is how we will also remember Lovie.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll definitely remember Lovie.
Yeah.
Lovie Holmes.
Yeah.
Lovie, thank you so much.
Yeah.
We love you.
Yeah, we always love Lovie.
Thank you.
Good.
Okay,
Okay, I stop it.